Hey YouTube, Sam here. Well, we're trying to fix a few things on the inside of this door, so I thought I'd bring you along and we'll just do a how you take a door panel off of an Astro van here. So this is a 97 Astro van. The first thing that I'm going to do is this piece right here comes off, and I got this tool. You could probably use a screwdriver. You gotta be careful because this one's metal. They make plastic ones, but either way, this is a real handy tool, and if you can find one, I would highly recommend picking it up. So that pops out there like that, and there's a hole right here that the bottom piece just kind of goes into. Then there is a screw here over by my little speaker here, and then right here and right down here is a cover, and usually behind those kind of covers there's screws. I don't know if that just takes this off. I've never actually, don't think I've ever had the panel off of one of these, and at least not this one. And once again, there's just not enough lighter room. It appears there's clips that go all the way around here, so we're going to start taking off the clips all the way around, and then I will bring you back. I don't know if you're going to be able to see a whole lot because I'm probably going to be in the way. I'm having issues with this, and I figured out this piece here pops off of here. I pulled that screw out. Haven't got behind here yet, but this appears to pop off somewhat. Now you have to be kind of careful here because there's gonna be wires hooked into these switches and stuff here, I'm assuming. I'm gonna break in here and do a couple revisions because my door was kind of broken. And the reason why I know I didn't do it, and it doesn't really matter, but I didn't do it, is because right here on this panel and right here on this panel, you'll notice in the video there's a piece that is kind of goes underneath this screw. Well, it should be attached to this, and there should be another one here as well. You can see where it broke off, but there's no piece attached to this part, so I may have broken that one, but regardless, this whole piece, you need to take these screws out before you try and pop that off. Although I will say, if you need to get in here, mine has been broken probably since I've owned it, and I've never even noticed, and it stays in there well enough as far as that. In fact, I fixed something on the other door and it was the same way. So just a little note there, if yours is in pristine shape, there's a good chance that you won't be able to pull this off unless you unscrew those first. As I am correctly. And boy, this might be more of a pain than I thought. Alright, well, I'm gonna unhook all these switches. Once I figure out more, I will come back and tell you what you need, hopefully. Once I got this open, I realized that down here and up here, that's definitely solid into the door here. So I popped these out, and there is a T30, which is pretty big even for a set of normal set of Torx bits. So that's definitely a kind of a specialty thing you'll have to buy. I'm sure you can go to Harbor Freight and buy a cheap one because you probably won't use this that much. But you'll definitely have to have more of a screwdriver type one. I know a lot of the sets that go on sockets have bigger ones, but the screwdriver ones seem to only go to like T20 most of the time. So this may be something you'll have to look for. Well, finally, I had to go around, and there was clips kind of all around, and I got as much as I could. It still don't want to come up. I got angry kind of, and figured worst case scenario, I'm buying a new door panel for my kids' van here, and I yanked up on this and it popped up. So I did break a few of the mounting things here, and several of them just popped out of the door and stayed in the door. So but that's to be expected. All the actual mounts look good. I didn't break any of those, and I think what it was is there was one right here and right here. Hopefully you can see that, but those two just weren't coming, and finally they let go. So I'll have to go get some new clips here. These actually look good here, so I'll have to go around and get some new clips. But we're inside the door. I'll have to pull this off, and I need to get in there and start working on some of the stuff inside. But those will be different videos. That was definitely a little bit more difficult door. Well, there's the end of that one. This one was a little bit more difficult than some other ones I've done, but mostly just because I've never done one like this. But really, the main thing you need to know, take the screws out there first, and then pop all your tabs out, but there may be a couple over in this area that hooked up that you need to pull up on that panel. Anyway, this is Sam, Jack of all, Master of none. You all have a good one.